My name is Molly, I'm a senior and I'm a co-treasurer on the team.
My name is Tate Geiger, I'm a junior and I'm the president of Center County 4-H Robotics.
My name is Ty.
My name is Joshua Grella, I'm a senior this year.
Last season I worked on the climbing subsystem.
I worked on the conveyor belt system.
I worked on the shooter team.
I worked on the intake and indexer subsystem.
I learned a lot more about the actual mechanics of our robot and I just got a lot of hands-on experience.
I learned so much about CAD. There is more to it than I even thought, and getting a group of people to accomplish like one task by like splitting tasks evenly.
I'm excited to redesign some of the things that I did last year and make them better.
I'm really excited that we still get to meet in person and I'm really excited to see the improvements we make to our robot.
This past year I learned a lot about using CAD and implementing it into uses of design. I think that those skills will help me definitely in the future.
So we know it failed last time, and we can see how we can improve on what we did. And that's really how engineering is supposed to work. So it's going to be really fun.